Hello everyone, welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will learn about customer clearing in SAP FI. How to clear the customer? First of all, we will book one invoice, customer invoice. Go to SAP and run the T code. What is the T code to book the customer invoice? We have created in a previous video also. So the T code is FB70. To book the customer invoice. Here, press F4 key to see the customers and select your customer, Balaji and Company, and give the invoice date 27th. Posting date is 27th. The amount is 2,50,000. Here you can give narration. Select your GL account. Press F4 key. Credit GL is revenue account. Give the amount for 2,50,000. Here select the value date 27th of May, then press enter. You can simulate this entry to check it. Here you can see 01 posting key is used to credit posting key is used to debit the customer with rupees 2,50,000 and 50 posting key is used for credit the revenue account with rupees 2,50,000. So it is correct entry. So we will click on this post. Here you can see the document was posted. Like this, you can generate the invoice, customer invoice in the T code FB70. Now next step is create the credit memo under the T code FB75. The T code FB75. Give your customer, select it. Your customer is Balaji and Company. Document date 27th May. Amount is how much amount of material you want to return. So I am returning 50,000 rupees for the sales return. Here we have to give a baseline date which is same as 27th of May. Here we have to select the payment term which is 0001, or you can check it by pressing F4 key. Now we will select the GL account, press F4 key. Here select your GL account for the amount. $50,000. Give the value date 27th May. If you want to simulate it first, so click on simulate the document. Here you can see 40 posting key is used for debit the revenue account and 11 posting key is used for credit the customer account. Now click on post. Here you can see document was posted. We'll get back. Now next step is partial payment received from customer with the T code F-28. Run the T code F-28 to received payment or incoming payment. Select the document date 27th May. Posting date is 27th. Document type is DZ for incoming payment. Company code is Tata. Currency is INR. And period is second. Here we will select the bank account. Press F4 key. Select your incoming bank. Give the amount, which is for 2 lakh rupees. Value date is 27th. Narration. Select your open item. Select your customer. Document type is D and special GL. Select your. We do not need to select a special GL here because we are not paying any advance. We didn't pay any advance entry, so we will not select any special GL. It is for the advance entry only. So we will leave it and click on process open item. Here you can see 2 items are selected. First is for DR, which is for customer invoice. Total invoice is 2,50,000, and DG for credit memo of 50,000 rupees, which is for sales return. And here you can see the amount entered is 2 lakh rupees and assigned amount is 2 lakh rupees and balance is 0. If we done by the full payment, so like this you can complete it or post it. But today we are going to do by the partial payment, so we will not select this. We will just click on partial payment. Here in front of 2,50,000, which is our total invoice amount, here we will give 2 lakh rupees because we are doing partial payment. Partial payment, we just now press enter. Now here you can see amount entered is 2 lakh, assigned amount is 2 lakh and not assigned amount is 0. It means we are doing the payment against this total amount, which is for 2,50,000. We are doing only 2 lakh rupees and click on post. Here you can see document was posted. Now we'll check the report with the T code. What is the T code to check the customer report? T code is FBL 5N to check the customer report. Here select your customer, then click on this open item and execute it. Here you can see these are in red color because it is in open item. It has not cleared it. See, document total invoice is 2,50,000. Sales return is 50,000 and incoming payment is for 2 lakh rupees, but it is not cleared yet. Now the thing is how to clear this customer. Here you can see the customer clearing by F-32. So now we will run the T code F-32. Here select your customer, press F4 key, select your customer account, give the clearing date, period, currency and company code, and here you have to tick on normal open item. When it is your special GLO item, if it is from the advance entry, so we have to select it. Otherwise we only take it on normal open item, then click on process open item. So it will show you all the open items of this customer. Here it is DR, means customer invoice is for 2,50,000, and DG for sales return is for 50,000, and DZ incoming payment is for 2 lakh rupees. Now all are selected. Because it is in blue color, it means it is all are activated. So now here you can see amount entered is 0, assigned amount is 0, and not assigned amount is 0. All three are selected and click on post. Here now you can see document was posted. Now we'll check it, the report. First refresh it. Now again run the report. T code is FBL 5N. Now selected your customer company code, and now click on. If you click on open item, so you can see there is no any item because now it is cleared. Click on cleared items. Now click on execute. Now you can see on 27th there are 3 entries. First is for total invoice 2,50,000. Second is for sales return, which is for 50,000, and third is for incoming payment, which is for 2 lakh. Now it all has turned into green, means it has cleared now. If you want to check the entry, so here you can see the clearing document also. It is a clearing document. Now double click on it to check the entry. Click on this overview. Here you can see 40 posting key is for debit and customer account is credit with 2 lakh rupees. Like this you can see the journal entry, and like this you can clear your customer. Clearing of customer is a month-end activity also. So it is very important part of SAP FI. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.